Good morning guys, in front of me is iQOO Neo 7 and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first open the settings, then from main settings list select system and management. Here go to reset options and now you will notice a reset all settings. So if you truly want to do it, just mark it, tap on restore and wait till it's done. If you do have some kind of lock screen, password, PIN code, fingerprint, whatever, you'll have to provide it before the whole reset. And now just unlock your device and customize it, use it smoothly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.